Yo, what's good, folks? So lately I've been updating my personal website and I found this super cool glitch animation and I added it in and I wanted to show you how I did it. So the actual component itself is pretty straightforward. You pass in a text prop, but that's kind of important because you do need the text as a prop because we're going to have to loop over it. So I'm working with SvelteKit, and here's the prop coming in, and then down here I'm looping over the characters in the text, and then I'm just loading them as a span. But on that span, we've got some important variables. So here's the order that's based on the index. We've got a delay and also a duration that are both just math.random. And they're math.random just so that when the animation loads, it looks kind of random. It's not static or anything. So as far as the CSS is concerned, the wrapper has a font size in here, but so does the span, and that's just so the parent of wherever I want to put this in my my HTML, it can control the font size, and the glitch text itself doesn't have to worry about it. I've got this letter spacing here because since everything's a span, it's going to start spaced out if I don't do this. So I can take this away, and then we can see that all these letters are weirdly spaced out. So this negative letter spacing fixes that problem. And then this pre-wrap allows us to keep all of the space that we add in the text. So if I remove that, we can see everything kind of collapses in on each other. So then that's why we need that. And then lastly, for the CSS and the actual spans, we've got this font size, the animation property, and then we've got the duration and the delay, which are based on those variables that we passed in. And then lastly, we've just got the actual animation, which is just opacity changes. Go from 1 to 0.15 and then back to 1. So yeah, that's how I did it. Thought it was cool, wanted to share. So if you like this one, hit subscribe, hit like, and I'll see you on the next one.